Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's lesson is about making questions. Okay, so let's start the today's lecture. Write possible questions for these answers. So answers are already given and we have to make the question. Okay, put a question mark at the end of the question. Okay, let's start. My grandfather is 75 years old. So my grandfather is 75 years old. This is the answer. So how we will make the question for this answer? How old is your grandfather? How old is your grandfather? Okay, next one is, I think the clinic opens at 7 a.m. So what should be the question for this? When does the clinic open? When does the clinic open? And you should keep in mind the answer and the question should be in same tense. If question is in present tense, so answer must be in present tense. Okay, so in this exercise we are making the questions. Okay, Ali is gone to play cricket. Okay, so what should be the question? Where is Ali? Okay, where is Ali? Next one is, I like books about dinosaurs. I like books about dinosaurs. So the question should be, which books do you like? So I like books about dinosaurs. Which books do you like? Okay, you can see both question and answer are in present tense. Okay, next one is, my favorite sport is tennis. My favorite sport is tennis. Is the helping verb for present tense. Which is your favorite sport? Which is your favorite sport? Okay, the last one is, my best friend lives in another city. My best friend lives in another city. So lives indicates us that this is present indefinite tense or simple present tense. So the helping verbs of simple present tense are do and does. Okay, so how we will make the question for this? How we will make the question for this? Where does your best friend live? Where does your best friend live? And don't forget to put the question mark, okay, at the end of the question. Alright, so in this way we will make the questions. Answers were already given and we made the questions for this. Okay, I hope you will like this exercise and today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching.